and welcome to KTP classes. Today we are going to study a straight line, and today moral teaching is guna sarvatra pujante pitrvanso nirarthaka vasudevam namaskyanti vasudevam namanava, meaning everywhere only your attribute quality will be worshipped, not your religion, caste. And the biggest example is Vasudeva, means Krishna is worshipped by human being, not Vasudev, means his father. So we have to concentrate on developing our quality. So what is a straight line? When we join two points, it becomes a straight line. When two points are joined, a line is formed. Point A, point B. There are infinite numbers of points on the line AB. Each point has coordinate x, y. X coordinate and y coordinate of any point on line AB has a unique relationship. This unique relationship between x and y coordinate of any point on the line is called equation of the line. Suppose coordinate of point A be x1, y1, and coordinate of point B is x2, y2, and x1 and y1 related as y1 equal to 3x1 plus 5. Then how y2 is related with x2? Just think, very simple. As x1 and y1 is related, similarly x2 and y2 will be related, because every point on the line will satisfy the same equation. So y2 equal to 3x2 plus 5. Let us consider a point P on the line AB whose coordinate is xy. How x and y are related? Y equal to 3x plus 5. Why? Because y1 and x1 are related with this equation. Similarly, any point on the line xy will be related in the same manner. So y equal to 3x plus 5 means y coordinate equal to 3 times x coordinate plus 5, and this is called equation of the straight line. Attribute of a straight line: angle made by lines in anti-clockwise direction with x-axis, and the second attribute is point where it cuts y-axis, which is called y-intersection. Let us find equation of a straight line if slope and y-intersection are given. Now the question is, what is slope? So if a line makes angle theta with x-axis, then tan theta is called slope of the line. Consider a point xy on the line AB. Now, by seeing this diagram, it is clear that QM is parallel to x-axis. So if this angle is theta, this is also theta. So this is y, this much is c. So PM will be y minus c. The coordinate of P is x, so OL will be x. So QM will be x. So tan theta, that is M, equal to perpendicular by base of this right angle triangle. That is y minus c by x. So if we simplify this, the equation becomes y equal to mx plus c. And this mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c, is called a generic equation of a straight line whose slope and y intersection is given. I hope it is clear to you. So find the equation of a straight line which makes 45-degree angle with x-axis and cuts y-axis at 0, 5. So here theta is 45, m will be 10 theta, that is 10 45 1, and c is y intersection, that is 5. So the equation would be y equal to x plus 5. Now find the equation of a straight line when slope of the line is known and one point through the line passes is known. Let us consider a line AB which makes angle theta degree with x-axis and passes through a point P, x1, y1. Let us this, and this is theta. Let us take any point Q on the line whose coordinate is xy. Draw normal from Q to x-axis, then draw normal Pn from P to line Qn. Draw normal from P to x-axis Pn. This angle is theta, so this will be theta. Now Q1 will be y minus y1 because the whole thing is y, and this much is y1. Again, OM is x, OL is x1, so this will be x minus x1. Now tan theta is perpendicular by base, so tan theta m equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. So if you simplify this, the equation will be y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Find the equation of a straight line which makes 45-degree angle with x-axis and passes through 4, 5. Here, just put here y minus y1, y minus 5 equal to m, that is tan 45-degree 1, x minus x1, x minus 4. So the equation is y minus 5 equal to 1 into x minus 4. Now find equation of a straight line when 2 points through which the line passes are known. Let us consider a line AB which passes through 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Look, this whole line, length of the line QM is y2 and this is y1 PL, so this will be y2 minus y1. Here OM is x2, OL is x1, so LM is x2 minus x1, so PN is x2 minus x1. In this triangle, tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 perpendicular by base x2 minus x1. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line where m is known. So m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now with the help of the previous equation, previous form of the equation of a straight line, y minus y1 m into x minus x1, or y minus y2 m into x minus x2, because x1 y1 and x2 y2 both passes, the line passes through both the points. Find the equation of the line which passes through point 3, 2 and 4, 5. So first of all we have to find out m. M is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 3. Equation of the line is y minus y2 equal to m x minus x1, or y minus y2 equal to m x minus x2. If you solve, both equation will be same. Now, equation of a spatial lines, equation of x-axis, that is y equal to 0. You take any point here, y will be 0. Equation of y-axis, you take any line here and the x will be 0. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis whose distance is c from x-axis. Take any point here, the y will be c. Similarly, slope m of any line parallel to x-axis, the slope will be 0 here, theta will be 0 and tan 0 is 0. So m is 0. Take any line parallel to y-axis whose distance is c from y-axis. So here x equal to c. Slope will be, here angle is 90 degree, tan 90 is not defined, so m is not known. Now we will find angle between two lines. Let us consider two lines which makes angle theta 1 with x-axis and theta 2 with x-axis respectively. So we know that theta 2 external angle is equal to two opposite side of internal angle. So theta 2 equal to theta plus theta 1. So theta equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Tan theta equal to tan theta 2 minus theta 1. I know you don't know this formula, this will be taught in class 11, but to know tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So if you put in that formula, tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1, 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1. So tan theta, it is m equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula for finding angle between two straight lines. A special condition: if two lines are parallel, then angle between them is 0 degree. So here it is 0. So m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is 0. From here we can say m1 minus m2 is 0 or m1 equal to m2. So if the slope of two lines are same, that means they are parallel. Now condition for perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the angle between them is 90 degree. Then 90 degree is infinity, that is 1 by 0. So this suggests that the denominator will be 0. 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 0. So m1 into m2 is minus 1. So if the product of slope of two lines are minus 1, then those two lines are perpendicular. Now graphs of the linear equations. So we take x equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So if it is the linear equation, you will see the graph of a linear equation will be a line. But if you take a quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not 0, then the graph will be a curve like this, U-like. This is called parabola. When a is greater than 0, this is upward. And that means these quadratic equations have two roots, two solutions. If it touches x-axis, that means it has only one solution. And if it has not touching or cutting, then there is no real solution. Similarly, if a is less than 0, the only graph will be downward. But here again this equation has two solutions. Here only one solution because it is touching, and here it is not touching, so there is no solution. So thank you very much.